Welcome to Who Wins Reviews. The best ski pants suspenders is probably one of the most overlooked yet essential accessories for any serious skier or snowboarder, ensuring your gear stays perfectly in place no matter how extreme the conditions get. Forget constant adjustments and the frustration of sagging pants. These suspenders are designed to provide unparalleled support and comfort, allowing you to focus entirely on conquering the slopes with confidence and style. Investing in a quality pair means investing in a smoother, more enjoyable, and ultimately safer mountain experience, keeping you warm and protected from the elements without interruption. Number 5. Chums Ski Suspenders. Experience unparalleled support with our heavy-duty suspenders. Designed for both men and women, they provide reliable hold throughout your activities. Enjoy a perfect fit every time. The adjustable elastic ensures maximum comfort and flexibility, adapting to your body's movements. Our specially designed pant clips offer a secure grip without damaging your clothing. They keep your suspenders firmly in place, no matter the activity. Built to last, these suspenders are made with durable materials. You can trust them to withstand rigorous use without tearing or wearing out. Whether you're hitting the slopes or need reliable support for any task, these suspenders are your perfect companion. They offer dependable performance when you need it most. What we like. These offer robust support and adjustability for a comfortable fit. The clips are designed to be gentle on your pants. If you prioritize durability and a secure, non-damaging hold, these are a great choice for everyday wear or active use. What people say. The suspenders are adjustable and fit well. They are comfortable to wear and do not slip down. The wide straps distribute weight evenly, preventing digging into the shoulders. Number 4. Oakley Men's Factory Suspenders. Introducing the Oakley Men's Factory Suspenders. Designed for the modern man who values both style and functionality. Experience unparalleled comfort and reliable support throughout your day. These are built to keep up with your active lifestyle. Crafted with high-quality materials, they ensure lasting durability. You can count on them to perform, wear after wear. Achieve the perfect fit with their easily adjustable straps. They are designed to provide a personalized and secure feel. Elevate your look with the signature Oakley style. They add a touch of athletic-inspired sophistication to any outfit. These are the ultimate accessory for any Oakley enthusiast. They combine practicality with the brand's renowned aesthetic. What we like. Engineered for an active lifestyle, these provide a secure and stylish fit. Their design is perfect for those who appreciate performance and aesthetics. If you're an athlete or simply want a sporty look with reliable function, consider these. What people say. The suspenders are adjustable and stay in place. They are comfortable to wear and do not dig into the shoulders. The clips are strong and hold the pants securely. Number 3. Dickies Men's 1-to-1-4 Solid Straight Clip Suspender. Introducing the Dickies Men's 1-to-1-4 Solid Straight Clip Suspender. Designed for durability and a secure fit. Easily adjust the length for a personalized and comfortable fit. It's designed to stay put all day long. Featuring heavy-duty clips that provide a strong and reliable hold. These ensure your suspenders stay securely attached. Crafted with quality materials for long-lasting wear. This accessory is built to withstand daily use. Its solid design offers a classic look that complements any outfit. A practical addition to your wardrobe. Experience the confidence of a secure fit. These suspenders offer both functionality and style. What we like. Featuring a classic straight clip and heavy-duty construction, these ensure a reliable hold. The adjustable fit guarantees comfort for various body types. If you need dependable, no-nonsense support for work or casual wear, these are an excellent option. What people say. The suspenders are adjustable and fit well. They are comfortable to wear and do not slip down. The wide straps distribute weight evenly, preventing shoulder strain. Number 2. Hold-up Suspenders Men's Ski Suspenders. Introducing our patented ski suspenders, designed for ultimate comfort and security on the slopes. Experience the difference of superior hold and freedom of movement. Our USA patented gripper clasps provide an incredibly strong and reliable hold without damaging your clothing. They are engineered to stay put, no matter the activity. Crafted with heavy-duty materials, these suspenders are built to last through countless ski seasons. They offer robust support that you can depend on. Whether you're hitting the ski slopes or engaging in other demanding activities, these suspenders offer the perfect blend of function and durability. They move with you, ensuring comfort all day long. The comfortable 112-inch width distributes weight evenly, preventing slippage and discomfort. Enjoy your day without constant adjustments. Proudly made in the USA, these suspenders represent quality craftsmanship and reliable performance. Invest in a product that's built to endure. What we like. These utilize a patented plastic clasp for a strong, non-damaging grip. They are designed to stay put without tearing fabric. If you're concerned about damaging your pants or need a secure hold that's gentle on materials, these are ideal. What people say. The suspenders are adjustable and fit well. They are comfortable to wear and do not slip down. The wide straps distribute weight evenly, preventing shoulder strain. Number 1. Alpine Swiss Men's Waterproof Snow Pants. Introducing our premium snow pants, designed for ultimate warmth and protection. Stay comfortable and dry no matter the weather. Engineered with advanced waterproof technology and superior insulation, these pants keep you dry and toasty. Enjoy your winter adventures without compromise. Experience a perfect, secure fit with the adjustable and removable suspenders. They offer added support and convenience for all your activities. Whether you're hitting the slopes or exploring the backcountry, these pants are your ideal companion. They provide the freedom and durability you need. Don't let the elements stop you. These snow pants offer reliable protection and lasting comfort, season after season. Trust in the quality and performance that Alpine Swiss is known for. Gear up for your next winter escapade with confidence. What we like. This option provides a complete solution for winter activities with waterproof and insulated pants. The removable suspenders offer versatility in wear. If you're looking for an all-in-one package for skiing or snowboarding that keeps you warm and dry, this is the perfect choice. What people say. The suspenders are adjustable and fit well. They are comfortable to wear and do not slip down. The wide straps distribute weight evenly, preventing shoulder strain. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.